What's up, guys? Today we're here in Alstyne, Texas with TSI Trailers. We've got Travis here. He's going to show us around a little bit and tell us a little bit more about what TSI Trailers does.
Thanks for coming out today, guys. Yeah, let's take a look.
Okay, so we're here in the TSI showroom. I see that you guys have been with Diamond C for about 10 years now. How's that been going so far?
Yeah, so we've been a proud Diamond C dealer for, it'll be 11 years this year. And, you know, back in the day, Jacob was actually our first rep. So we've come a long way, and we've grown steadily with Diamond C the last few years and added more of the Diamond C offering to our lineup out on the lot, which we'll see shortly. And yeah, it's been a great relationship. We're a family-owned and operated business, so that ties in great with Diamond C as well, being a family-owned and operated business. So we love that relationship.
Awesome. So what initially led you to work with Diamond C?
Yeah, as a dealership, we've always sought to carry premium lines of products. We're also a golf cart dealer. And with our trailers, we like to reflect the premium brands in the industry, which clearly Diamond C is a leader amongst its peers. And having those quality offerings, the kind of things that, you know, we feel proud to sell, that we would want to own ourselves for our businesses or for our recreational use. So that just fits hand in hand with Diamond C and our mentality as a business.
Great. Well, I appreciate it, because we appreciate being a partner with such a great company like yourself. Now, when customers from Diamond C come to TSI, what can they expect?
Yeah, so again, being a family-owned and operated business, you're going to be speaking with usually myself or my brother or my father. So we really take that customer service to heart. Making sure our customers find the right trailer rather than just selling them a trailer is really important to us, because we want them to be satisfied, and we do get a lot of repeat business and referrals from that. So knowing that when you buy from TSI, you're going to have someone who really cares about your needs and your interests, and give you that hands-on approach.
Awesome. Well, we appreciate that. Our customers appreciate that. So with no further ado, let's go check out the lot.
Yeah, let's go out there.
Okay, so we're out here on the lot with Travis, looking at some of his Diamond C trailers. Travis, for your area, what would you say are the most popular models, and why would you say they're the most popular?
Yeah, some of our best sellers with Diamond C are from the LPT dump trailers, LPX equipment trailers, and HDT hydraulically dampened tilt trailers. For most of our customers, those seem to be some of the most popular models because of their versatility and their applications for, you know, heavy construction, small businesses, and everything in between.
Okay, awesome. So when I'm walking your lot, I've noticed that you've got quite a few upgrades on your trailer. Any kind of reasoning why you would put these upgrades on your trailer?
Yeah, absolutely. So we almost don't order anything that's bone stock. Diamond C offers such great premium upgrades that reflect a great value and great use for the end user. So we often outfit our trailers with popular options, things like hydraulic jacks, the 3/16" diamond plate fenders. Almost always get a spare on every trailer, because, you know, that day that you need it and you don't have it, you're gonna regret it. So yeah, we like to offer a premium product and reflect some of Diamond C's more popular options.
Awesome. Well, Travis, I really appreciate the time today. If you're in the Alstyne area and you're needing a Diamond C trailer, please check out my guys here at TSI Trailers. Now, I'm gonna go check out one of those golf carts, because I think it'd pair nicely with a Diamond C.